Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to create multiple pins on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create multiple pins, you just simply have to open any of your browser that you use into your computer. Then after opening that browser, just simply open the site for pinterest.com. And in order to post multiple pins, you need to have business account, and after that tap into this three bars. Now click to this create pin for ad option. Just simply tap into that. Now in order to create multiple, you don't have to do much. You just simply have to tap into this plus button as many times as you want to create the pins. As you can see here, I have already made 4 pins into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this button and then select the picture that you want to upload and then enter all the details like uploading the normal pin into here. Now click to publish and then similarly repeat the same process to all of these multiple pins. This way you can easily create a multiple pin into Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.